Hey guys, welcome back. Now it's time to plate some food. So let's get the dumpling there. Looking nice and pretty. Look at that. Nice dumpling. And 2 pieces of soft yam. Look at that. Remember I told you about my Uncle Sonny boy with the dumpling and butter? This is how you do it. You get your boiled dumpling and you put the butter on it. Make butter go and melt. So let's have a little test. Some dumpling and butter. Look at that. Look at butter melt there. So good. Do you not have no salting? Are you hungry? This too is good food. Yeah. Dumpling and butter. All right. Let's get down to this. Start plating the mackerel. Switch off this spot right here. Okay guys, let's just move it over here. So this is my Sunday dinner. My Dutty Gyal. So tin mackerel, aka Dutty Gyal. And it nice. Look at that, nice and pretty. So I gotta have a look at taste of my Dutty Gyal now. Look at that. Some sauce. Yeah. Enough pepper. Nice. Guys, remember, comment where you're watching from, what you're having for your Sunday dinner today. Remember to like, share, comment, repost, subscribe. Thank you for the love and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. God bless. Love.